Hello everyone, we're going to go to video 1, a basic overview of Google Drive for beginners. First thing we're going to start out with is how to create a new document. It's very simple. You can see I'm logged in, there's my little icon of my dog, and there's my name. I'm going to click on the little tic-tac-toe board there, and I'm going to go into Google Drive. And this is what Google Drive looks like. Now you can see I've got, first things first is I want to create a document, so I'm going to hit New. And you can see I've got some options here, very kind of similar to using the Microsoft Suite Office. I've got Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides. First thing we're going to do, we're going to start out with how to create a Google document. I'm going to click on that. And the nice thing that I've found with Google Documents and Google Drive is the automatic save feature. I know that was very difficult for my school board to understand that you don't have to keep hitting save. I think we've all been kind of pre-programmed. So first thing that I'm going to do here is we are going to change the name to this. We'll put test document apps class. Okay, no problem. So you can see I've got a basic kind of toolbar just like you would see typically in Microsoft. And the one thing that I am going to do is let's just put this is a test document in Google Docs and Drive. Okay, no problem. Automatically saving, you can see that pops up. Every change you make is automatically saved to Drive. The last one was a few seconds ago. Nice thing is you can see I've got a folder here. I can move it to a folder. I can star it. Those are similar things from Gmail. So, but I've got a few things here. I've got a file. I've got my edit, my view, insert. Again, very similar terms to Microsoft Office. So the one thing that I'm going to do first thing is here, we're just going to do some basic things to this. You can see I can bold it. I can italicize it. I can underline it. I can change the color of the text. Very simple things. And I think that, again, we're all kind of pre-programmed to use those functions in Google, in Microsoft Office. So we're going to finish that up, and I'm going to close it. Okay, now you can see when I go back to my kind of home page for Google Drive, this is the document I just worked on. If I double click on it, it pops up. Now, the thing is, what we want to do is we're going to locate the search bar to locate some files in Google Drive. It's very simple. And what we're going to do is, so if I wanted to look for something and I put test document, we'll click on that. Okay, and you can see this is anything that they feel, search through my files that might fall under that. You can see I've got a lot of files here from, this is my personal account, but let's click on that one because that looks like it is the file, and there it is. Very simple to use. Okay, that's how you can search for anything in your Google Drive, and really quite simple. Now, another nice feature is this. When you click on New, you can see I've got a file upload. Okay. Well, first thing, let's go to my home. Okay, let's go to home. So I'm not dealing with a lot of stuff here. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to upload a document to your Google Drive from your desktop. Okay, there's two options here. You can do a file upload, like I can upload a whole file. You can see now this is my personal work computer, and one of the folders I have here is, let's see, like if I wanted to upload this, every file in a building file. As the superintendent, I obviously have a big file, everything that's encompassing in the building. I can double click on it. I can hit open. Maybe. Oh, it's at it. Okay. I'll upload my mowing bids. And you can see it starts to upload. And there it is. Okay, my mower bids. I'm not going to keep that there. I'm just going to delete it. But the other nice thing is, too, you can just upload a file. Okay, so we can do one of two things here. We can do the traditional route by double clicking on it, or we can take it and drag it. You can see, drag it from the folder in there. You can see, drop your folder files to instantly upload them here. That makes life very simple. And you can also do that with Gmail too. You can drag things right in there and drop it in. A lot of times I would do this, and it would be a big hassle. I would minimize, and I would take things and I would drag them in and drop them. But it is nice that you can just not have to minimize the screen. Just go to New, go to File Update, or go to Folder Update, and you can drag things right out of there. It makes it really, really, really simple. Okay? I'm not trying to save folders. Okay, this has made my life extremely easier. And again, I'm going to get rid of these things. These are school documents that I don't need to have on my personal file. Let's find